Hey everyone, today we are going to be showing you how to inspect and replace your air filter on your 2023 and newer Suzuki V-Strom. This should be done at least every 3,750 miles. That's what the manual calls for. But if you're in dusty conditions, you could be checking this after each adventure ride. So be aware of that. It's simple to do. Let's go ahead and get started. To get this done, you need a 10mm socket or T-handle and a number 2 Phillips. I also have safety glasses, rubber gloves, rags. I've got this new air filter, and we have a pre-filter in there that we're actually going to clean the old oil out and put some fresh stuff on. So we've got foam filter cleaner and oil and a little bit of contact cleaner to help clean things up, along with a drain pan that we can spray into. If you need the filter or the cleaners or any chemicals, you can find that stuff on our website by just clicking the link in the description below. First thing we need to do is remove our seat. Next, we'll disconnect the negative and positive battery terminals and then our battery strap. Pull the battery out. And then we need to remove this tray using our 10mm T-handle. Remove the cover over the airbox lid. At this point, I'm going to put my rubber gloves on and we can remove the air filter lid. There's 4 screws holding it in place. And the bottom 2 will just sit inside that cover. So this is our pre-filter. Could look better, could look worse. I'll remove that, followed by the air filter. Then I'm using a little bit of contact cleaner on a rag to clean up that sealing edge and the cover. We just want to make sure that there's no dirt that gets inside the air box for reassembly. So over at the bench, I've got the clean filter in my left hand. You can see quite a bit more light comes through it, but this one on the right, it's really not that dirty. If it's really packed, you're going to see hardly any light coming from the filter. So this filter looks pretty good. We could reuse it, but we're just going to play it safe. We're putting the new filter in. In either case, you definitely want to get this pre-filter cleaned up. There's spray-on cleaners. We've got several options available, but we just have this cleaner inside our tub. We're going to let this soak for about 15 minutes and then rinse it out with some soapy water. So we've gone ahead and rinsed out the pre-filter. We've let it dry completely. So now we're going to apply some foam filter oil to both sides. Once you spray that on, you want to work it in and then let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's just going to allow any solvent from that foam filter oil to evaporate out. From here, we can set the pre-filter on top of the paper filter. Again, if you are reusing it and it doesn't look that dirty, just verify that you don't have any tears or other damage to it. Then we'll take this over to the bike and reinstall it. Now I'm taking one last look over at the bike, making sure that seal around the edge where the air filter sits, making sure that's in good condition. Ours looks great. So we can go ahead and set the filter in place. Take a look at the seal on your cover as well. We'll reinstall the lid with the 4 screws. And then set the rubber cover back on top. Next, we're going to install the battery box. The battery, starting with the positive terminal and then the negative. Install the strap. And reinstall the seat. So that's it for replacing the air filter on your 2023 and newer Suzuki V-Strom. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need the air filter or any other parts for your bike, go to our website or just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.